Jen here, and today's video is going to be on my U.S. Army Special Forces loadout. This is something I just put together real quick, nothing much really. It's just, got the regular ACU frog top, ACU pants, my gun, the 10 M4, the long barrel silencer, flashlight, all that, ACOG, call sign. That's pretty much with the gun. Helmet, it's foliage green helmet. I have Oakley flak jackets, MS-2000, cat eyes, you see in the back. I have a camelback ACU with a lapel mic right here. 10 mag pouch, 10 utility pouch, and that's pretty much it. I got flex cuffs and another pair of handcuffs in the back. In there. Sidearm. I got a Glock 17 and a Serpa holster. That's pretty much that. So yeah, just something I threw together. I know it's not like on point or anything. It's just kind of my take on a special forces loadout. Also, for my boots, I just got regular tan U.S. Army combat boots, and also got a schmog, just the sign off my neck, the sand on my neck. Yep, show you my boots. That's them right there. Standard U.S. Army combat boots. Hey YouTube, how's it going? Jen here. Today's video is going to be a multicam U.S. Army loadout. Start with the gun, SIG 5.56, ACOG sight, flashlight, tech box, and a grip pod. That's that. That's the gun. It's a pretty good gun right here. Helmet. It's going to be a Kevlar ACH MS-2000. Also have ESS goggles, a rhino mount, and I wear my contour on the side. Vest, I got a tan Cyrus vest. The regular mag pouch. Just regular tools here. You have flex cuffs. I have handcuffs in the back. Canteen and my Glock 17 right here. That's pretty much that. On the loadout, I got the lapel mic and schmog, and that's pretty much it. This loadout, mechanic gloves, and that's it. I'll show you the rest right here.